To preserve these leaves, the first thing I'll do is to wash them and make sure that they're clean and ready for use whenever I need them. Doing this will also save you some preparation time whenever you need to make moimoi or ikuru or whatever it is you want to use your leaves for. I should mention that cooking moimoi with these leaves isn't just for flavor. The leaves, according to research, prevent kidney and liver damage. In fact, they are used in traditional medicine in countries like Congo and Ivory Coast. Please forgive my manners. Hello, beautiful people. My name is Remy and you're welcome to my channel. I make videos from Lagos, Nigeria. If you're yet to subscribe, kindly join us by clicking that subscribe button, okay? We all know about the campaign against cooking moimoi in plastic containers, and we agree that moimoi lewe is the oga pata for all the types of moimoi. I know that plastic containers can really be quick to use and are more readily available. And one problem that I think a lot of people have with using away is the knowledge of how to wrap it. But I have a video on how to perfectly wrap moimoi in leaves. I'll leave the link in the description box and you can find it up here. So you can check it out after this video if you're interested. I have preserved these leaves for over 2 months, and whenever I bring them out, they are new and good to be used. So as I wash each of the leaves, I will line them in a sieve to drain off excess water. And I will not trash this torn leaf. It's useful too for maybe covering the moimoi when you're done wrapping everything. So I will not trash it. Alright, I'm done washing and I'll leave the leaves to continue draining while I go do some other things. About 30 minutes later, the leaves are no longer dripping and are ready to be packed. And the next thing to do is to click like on this video. I will portion the leaves into these plastic bags and tie them up. The quantity I'm putting in each nylon is just enough for a one-time use or 2 at most. This much should do for a derica of beans. If you live in Lagos, Nigeria, you'll understand this quantity. Basically, you should have say 20 wraps, medium-sized moimoi. If you're using 1 leaf. And if you're using 2, that means you would need more leaves. 20 leaves will give you 10 wraps. So yeah. Before now, I used to use 2, but now I use 1 because 1 does the job. You can call me a pro. So I have 3 of this and I'll put them all together in another plastic bag, tie it up and put in the freezer. There, they'll last for months. The essence of sharing this really is to inspire you to try it yourself. I think it can help make your life in the kitchen easier. Besides, you get to enjoy moimoi whenever you like and you won't have to worry about buying leaves every now and then. In 2 or 3 months, I'm going to show you what these leaves look like. And off it goes into the freezer. I took out these ones for use in the morning. I'm making moimoi the next day, so there's no need to keep these ones in the freezer. I'll just leave them on the countertop and they'll still be good. These can last for up to 1 week without refrigeration. Although they will wilt, but you'll still be able to use them. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. If you do, kindly give me a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments if you'll be trying this out, or when you do try it out, I want to know what you think about it. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you again with another fantastic recipe. Have a great day.